2025, it's about to be a new year. This is about to be a new channel. No more boring, slow shit. None of that. You know what I'm saying? We educating. We networking. You know, we reaching people, teaching people. Each one teach one. You know what I'm saying? So follow me. You know. We got 29% on this camera. So that means you might want to pay attention, because what I'm about to do today, what I'm about to show y'all, is how to take your money and let it go make you some money with these stocks, you know, or some of this crypto too, you know, can't leave that out. But get you some stocks, man. And here's why. Because the end of this quarter is about to be crazy, man. I'm telling y'all. If y'all ain't been paying attention to what's going on, y'all are about to be left behind. If y'all don't know, man, you might want to get on YouTube and do you some research, you know. You know, look up stocks, look up who's teaching stocks, or, you know, because what you don't know can keep you broke. You know what I'm talking about? But yeah, man, I'm about to go, instead of go spend Christmas money, like go buy, instead of go buy presents or send money, I'm going to go buy some stocks. See, I got gains on my stocks, you know what I'm saying? Hella gains, you know. So instead of using my money that I work hard for, instead of go sending that or spending that and don't see nothing for it, I'm going to go buy some stocks, more. NVIDIA, Tesla, Apple, Meta, Google, Amazon. I'm gonna go buy those and take out of my gains that I already have, which I'm about to get more gains. If y'all don't understand it, y'all go. I'm gonna sit down and break it down to y'all one day. That how my NVIDIA stocks right now, I got like 14, 15 shares, because you know they did the split. But anyway, I got $989 invested into NVIDIA. What the hell am I doing with my phone? Anyways. Hey. Alright, can y'all see me? Bam. So, just want to show y'all something. It's talking about NVIDIA. So I got $989 invested. But see my gains? Y'all see that, right? Okay. My percentage on my total gains is 145%. Not half, not, man. So, and here go my Tesla. You know, it ain't a lot, but you know, 570 invested, and look at the gains. It's creeping close to how much I got invested. So this is the power of investing in stocks when stocks is doing good, you know what I'm saying? So when you take your money it'll go make you some money. You know what I'm saying? So I'm about to go take me some money. Let's see what I'm gonna go take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 9. 960. And we about to go buy some motherfucking stocks. And then I'm gonna go take the gains from my stocks and go buy stuff for, you know, whatever I need to go pay for, you know, go send money, go buy whatever I need to, take the money back out if I want. But I bought the stock. The investment ain't gonna go away. It's gonna continue to produce money, period. It's on the rise. Y'all better jump in on this shit, man. Y'all better jump in on this shit. Y'all see what Bitcoin did, man? Y'all, man, when Bitcoin went to 100,000 and I seen it drop back down to 92,000, I bought it again. I went and put 500 on it just like that. Like, I wasn't even gonna think. But they say Bitcoin is gonna hit 115,000 before April or March or something. So I might want to load up on that too. But anyway, that's what I'm about to go do. I'm about to go take this money, go buy me some stocks, and go take the gains from my shit that I already got, and go do whatever I need to, and then watch how what I just bought, how it's gonna boost my gains. So it's gonna seem like I didn't even really take nothing out. Man, y'all just gonna have to follow me, subscribe to my channel, because it's about to be a new thing, you know what I'm saying? Credit, cash, business, investments, everything that most people want to know about, you know what I'm saying? Or they trying to figure out. Because don't get me wrong, I'm out here figuring it out too, but I'm out here literally figuring it out. That's including 5 businesses, LLCs. Man, shit's stressful and hard, but hey, that's life, right? You make life what you want it to be. So I'm out here taking chances and risks, you know what I'm saying? Because they say only the chance takers and the risk takers get rich, you know. Either get rich or die trying. Shit, hey, we ain't trying, we doing. Let me show y'all just in case y'all want to know. So my account, my total investments is $4,824.46. But my gains, and boy are they climbing by the second. 3,000, what is it? 3,000, that's gains, you know? So 900 added on to this. Imagine what it's gonna do that. Get y'all some stocks. Y'all tune in, because y'all gonna get to see what it do after I throw this money on up in here. Alright? Once again, Phace Man TV. 2025 is about to be a new year. This is about to be a new channel. No more boring, slow shit. None of that. You know what I'm saying? We educating. We networking. You know, we reaching people, teaching people. Each one teach one. You know what I'm saying? So follow me. You know. I don't know why I don't be sharing some of this shit with y'all, but I got a lot to share and I just haven't. But all that's gonna change, you dig? So yeah, just like y'all see what it say. Go subscribe to the motherfucking channel, man. Subscribe. I might send you a backpack around this motherfucker, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, stocks. Go get you some. If you ain't got none, where your money going? Where your money going if you ain't getting no stocks? If you got money in the bank, how much is your bank paying you to have your money in there? How much? Huh? Well, I ain't gonna show y'all again. Y'all see what it is. Gains, man. Gains. Rich off gains. Hey, Trapper. Wall Street look like us now. Check this out. Hit that like button. Let me know you fucking with me, y'all. Share this video too, because I got a lot of people that subscribe, but they don't be sharing my shit. So if you really fuck with me, go on and share this, man. Let's reach one. Let's reach somebody, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna start a community over here, man. You know what I'm saying? And a whole podcast too, you know. It's kind of beat up a little bit. Y'all know what the CEO's about, man. So, you know, create, execute, overachieve. That's what we out here doing. So I'm headed off to the bank. You know, I'm gonna holler at y'all in a minute. Peace.